fact, before, he thought, say, make you not believe what I talk. Say, me a comedian.
When I talk that one for national TV.
Jesus.
But when you talk that one.
Jesus.
Who be your witness? I saw they do the cast, though. You can lie. You lie, come TV again, Johnny. But when I talk, I think people there here now. Who be your witness? They do.
I swear you will not make heaven.
You be God.
Me, I go make sure say you not make heaven.
You na angel.
Me, I swear. My
you na
father.
angel.
See, wait,
angel they do.
Wait, grande. See.
Nedu, can I use your phone?
Which?
One.
Anyway, welcome back on Top Let's Show. I tell you now, so we get Asurf for inside studio. Asurf, in fact, make Allah make use a math because this guy, I don't know what I don't get hiccup. That's what they do.
You need water. Or maybe they cut roof for you. Cut for your head.
But wait, Mama ask now who talk that he say?
That's it.
Who talk that he say when they do who say you go come out thread put for head?
Yeah. Now our parents now, you know when they born small pikin that time, if you don't do that crew, that place go they do.
Right.
Or just put time. And so we grew up too. Can't they think say they think they walk through. And they can't reach one time. They say if you drink water, maybe if you drink water, it go just stop. One kind.
I say if you drink water.
But that's small children. That trend they walk that year.
You think?
No, you know they walk anything.
The thing go just do pupu reach one time and stop by itself now.
Stop. That one and plenty of that one where they go to say if you use broom sweep for night. Say one thing, or say if you go market. That one I won't try. I want to do that one. When they say if you go market,
you go
bend down like this. Say you go they see people they waka, dead people with the waka. I want to do that thing.
Or if you dey piss every night, just go grind pepper. You know that one. You go grind pepper if you dey piss for night. They will just give you punishment, give you small pepper, go they grind. We can't say that thing they work. No, you say na fear of say you go grind pepper again tonight if you piss for yesterday. Oh. So if the booking no piss for money, everyone will just really say na pepper where you grind.
He get different things when they talk that time. My papa go talk say, hey. Anyway, Asurf, welcome to the show, I beg. Asurf, wait, first of all, you know, sir, what be your real name? Tell people.
My name is Asurf Oluwaseyi.
Now, lie, what be the Asurf?
Amuwa. Amuwa Oluwaseyi Asurf.
What be the Oluwaseyi? What be the? What come be Asurf? What be the meaning of Asurf?
What be Nedu?
Nedu na from Chinedu now.
Asurf na from Oluwaseyi na.
Where the Oluwaseyi? If Oluwaseyi, Oluwaseyi.
Asurf.
If it be Asurf na to waka internet. Asurf. What it can be Asurf?
Basically, when I define name for myself now, you know Sheyi popular. From when I grew up now, so everybody from my area they bear Sheyi. So I say Sheyi.
Now too, we get one Sheyi for you.
I say I no be you, the other guy. Now I just just form word where I know say no exist. I mean I the soft net where that time. So I just put A. Some people they think maybe A for Amuwa, S for Sheyi. Okay, waiting be U R.
U for you don't declare.
Now you talk that one.
Anyway,
so we just put A and Surf together. Surf and the type of for Google, you know exists.
Where you from? Where you come from?
I'm from Nigeria.
Asurf, talk through. Where you from?
Talk from Mundo. Why you tell me so make I talk through like I did lie before? Then why they do like this now?
You know, say the guy they feel guilty. He know the things where he don't lie about. So if I want to talk true now, in the feel say in the lie.
In the lie, even the truth like.
Even the truth be like they do. He get one movie when you say don't they nominated now. With the nominator for
AMVCA best short.
Then nominator for best
short film.
Then nominated for best short film. Make we watch the clips, the trailer of that movie. What's it? I don't forget the name.
A Day with Death.
A Day with Death. Hey, how you go give something A Day with Death?
No fear. We pimp death. That's sexy for inside that short film. We even feel like okay, death just come and have a day with you, you know.
When they come back, go and watch that small video. My brother, let's go. I see in all the story where if we think of, I can never think of this kind of thing. You ain't shock me past now where death get boyfriend.
I say
Now okay, ma ask you quick, just to digress more. If death go get boyfriend, not answer me. If death boyfriend are like one of our Nigerian artists. Now who it is they go be?
No be Pt.1. No be me talk about. No be me talk about.
No, an actor now. Now music artist.
Music artist. Two-Face bad, sha. I never said Two-Face. Get boyfriend. 30G not go fit. No. You know the two do get. You know the two.
Idris Abdul Karim. Or because of the Igbo way blackface they the Igbo way they smoke film can just death fee just say death fee find am attractive because now hellfire than two they come off from.
True. True. If death na Two-Face, shall go worse.
No, if death na Two-Face, it go worse. If not, if death, no, but you know,
death fall in love.
If death go fall in love, but you know, I can't reason this thing. You know, imagine now we then talk say, if you don't. Cannot talk.
You want cast? I tell you, say they do the lie. Just
anyway, tell me, what make you do this movie, this short movie?
When I was looking for a story, because the first key thing in telling a story is just story. So when I was looking for a story, I was trying to get that kind of story that I can tell differently. Like before you watch that trailer, when you hear A Day with Death, the thing sounds scary, like A Day with Death. But the title sounds scary because a lot of people stay off talking about death.
But wait, why do they speak English?
I don't know. The thing just enter body. When I know best, my people jare. Before they do say I won't lie again. So you know when you hear death matter, they always they fear person. You be like say So when I was reading the story, it wasn't written by a Nigerian. And the thing, they know no be Niger person, no be Niger right time. The writer no be Niger.
Okay.
So they write time not for another environment.
Okay.
No be our
Nigeria,
no be Niger kind of story. But I can relate more to the story well as a Niger person because when they grow up, there is this mystery. Say, okay, if somebody die now, make you no enter the house for like one day. Because if you enter the house, you feel the year. If anything fall, they say that the person they waka.
Hey.
Do you understand?
See, I don't catch me now.
So I got to see the story. I said, this story is sweet, but it's scary. How best can we interpret the story?
We say we fear people.
Yeah. Now we come twist and come turn death to the light, to the light part.
My brother,
in developing it, we were enjoying developing the script. And today.
No, I'm not gonna like give you a song. That this short movie makes sense. Die, but you can't imagine say death now, and like Nicki Minaj. Hi!
Everybody go on die.
Everybody
go on die now.
My brother, make the death come.
Because if you leave, you no go fit toast death.
You not go fit. When the death come, maybe the death fit come they cry for you. He broke my heart.
When he enter woman,
when he
death. Nicki Minaj, see the way your body they sweet, they do.
You be.
See the way your body they hot.
Tell me, how long you done it for inside the industry? How long you done it for inside the industry?
I've been in the industry since 2008.
2008.
I start with AY show now.
Okay, now from AY show you take start.
Yeah.
But man asking, now what be that major thing? What be that major thing really like push you? Come out, enter when everybody know Asurf. Because I know say most of the skits where they see basketball they shoot, Buffy they shoot. Most of them now you did one. You understand? That I mean for basketball to they use you, for Buffy to they use you, it means say it gets something where they different. Me say if I they use Asurf, I mean holla shit. That's how we roll.
You know.
What you go say be that thing when we say they different about you?
Nothing really different though. Nah, just I would say experience. Because when I entered the industry fully, I started with Bros AY for AY show. And it was like a build-up. Because everything we did do, I they use the thing they learn and understand comedy. In fact, now from AY show, I can't realize, say, to edit comedy,
it did different
from editing movie or
of course,
music.
It did very different.
There's a way you edit comedy show, you can't make the person not funny. You know when you go cut them, the picture go fine. The dialogue, audio go clean. Everything go fine. You as the audience, you will just ask after watching like, okay, what thing can be what's it funny for this thing? You're not gonna say now the way they cut the thing put together. So I learned most of this thing from them bros, AY then. So when I come up for AY show, start my own thing, I was doing more of events, corporate videos, but comedy don't contain part of me. In fact, you know, say when you did amongst comedians,
of course,
when they throw punchline, like play, you two say good, they can't you can't be like say they funny for us when they talk. My people go there with encourage you. You know, say you feel do comedy.
If you do, my brother, you could go wipe you when you glad. They got one man call the waka.
Only you can't think of your mind. Say, and when are they talk this thing for us? Everybody laugh.
If you laugh that. Okay, I know what to go after. Make allow Moku watch the making of A Day with Death, so that I go see how the Coco Day for inside the making of that movie. Moku watch the making of it. I don't see some kind of short clips from but Moku see A Day with Death. But before we go, because of say, because I started see him now, it be like say, okay, Moku just leave and make it the show, but make sound not there. But how you take on? Because that woman is the only person we death through one catch.
Auntie Tubi.
I did tell you how you take cast her.
The time we would take do this short film was very short. I don't use my the talk and say I want to do short film because everything that I've been doing so far now, comedy skits, events, they are not be kind of video where we say I have control over from beginning to end. So it's a contracted job. So the clients go, and when you do give the person, they say, no, remove this part, remove that. But when me they do you get control of everything. So I wanted to do my own.
When you be saying you get control of everything?
Because I'm in another stage of my career now. Like currently, with the plan to do our first feature. To convince people, say if you do at least do a short film to make people see nobody just come.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.